Vehicle Report modules. Vehicle Maintenance Report. The Vehicle Maintenance Report is a tool that tracks the maintenance history and future service needs of vehicles. It helps you keep vehicles in good condition by monitoring when maintenance is needed. With this tool, you can see when each vehicle was last serviced and what needs to be done next. Get alerts for upcoming maintenance tasks. Check details like oil changes, part replacements, and how many hours are left before the next maintenance. Keep your vehicles running smoothly by staying on top of maintenance. Vehicle Details Report. The Vehicle Details Report is a tool that helps you manage and track detailed information about vehicles in your fleet. It shows vehicle information, such as the type, registration number, make, and more, and allows you to update or edit the data as needed. With this tool, you can see details like vehicle code, name, registration number, make, and type. Quickly find specific vehicles by searching their code, name, or number, and filter by branch. Update or modify vehicle information, example description, insurance, condition. Download the Vehicle Details Report as an Excel file for further use or sharing. Vehicle Position Report. The Vehicle Position Report tracks the operational status of vehicles in your fleet. It provides detailed data about vehicle usage, such as working hours, distance traveled, loads carried, and location. This tool is essential for managing vehicle performance and ensuring efficient fleet operations. With this tool, you can view daily and cumulative data on working hours, distance traveled, and number of loads transported. Narrow down reports based on vehicle type, branch, or specific months and years. Click on a vehicle's code to see its operational history. Use the data to schedule maintenance, monitor vehicle performance, and improve fleet efficiency. Download reports as Excel files for easy record keeping or further analysis. Vehicle Status Report. The Vehicle Status Report provides an overview of the current locations and statuses of vehicles across various sites. It helps monitor which vehicles are available in use or under maintenance. With this tool, you can see where each vehicle is assigned, including various locations like Chennai, Cheyur, and others. The report shows vehicle status, active or inactive, at each location, helping you know which vehicles are ready for use and which are under maintenance. The format, example 0 to 0 or 0 to 1, indicates the number of active and inactive vehicles at each location. Quickly assess the availability of vehicles at different sites to manage fleet allocation and scheduling. Vehicle Spares Report. The Vehicle Spares Report tracks and manages spare parts issued to both own vehicles and hire vehicles. It provides detailed insights into the spares used, helping users maintain records and analyze spares usage efficiently. With this tool, you can choose between owned vehicles, owned by the organization, and hire vehicles, hired for temporary use. Track the spare parts issued to vehicles, including the vehicle code, name, material code, and quantity of spare parts used. Filter the report by month and year to view spares issued during specific time periods. Download and save the report in Excel format for easy sharing and record keeping. Check details like the material name, unit of measure, and total cost to track and manage fleet maintenance costs. Vehicle Monthly Working Hours/Kilometer. The Vehicle Monthly Working Hours/Kilometers report tracks how much time vehicles are used and how far they travel each month. With this tool, you can see how much each vehicle works and how far it goes, spot vehicles that are overused and need servicing. See which branch uses vehicles more and optimize resources. Download the report in Excel for easier sharing and analysis. The Vehicle Diesel Consumption Report helps track and analyze how much fuel each vehicle in your fleet is using. It allows you to compare fuel usage across vehicles and branches, optimize fuel costs, and ensure that fuel expenses stay within budget. You can filter data by vehicle type, view detailed consumption information, search for specific records, and export the data for offline analysis. The report is regularly updated to provide real-time information on fuel usage, helping you make informed decisions about vehicle efficiency and cost management. Closed Vehicle List. The Closed Vehicle List report shows details about vehicles that are no longer in use. With this tool, you can see which vehicles are no longer operational, check information like registration, insurance, and vehicle condition. Save the list for records or audits. With this features, you can filter by vehicle type, owned or hired, and branch view details by clicking on a vehicle's info to see its registration, condition, and closing reason. Export the list for offline use or audits. The vehicle logbook provides detailed records about each vehicle's history, maintenance, and usage. With this tool, you can manage and view details about vehicles like registration, insurance, fitness certificate, and maintenance history. Export data about vehicle history, maintenance, transfers, and monthly reports. Filter by vehicle type and branch. With this features, check historical data off vehicles' working hours and kilometers, view past maintenance records, and export them. Track transfers of vehicles between branches, download vehicle data, maintenance history, and monthly reports in Excel format. Diesel Report. The Diesel Report helps track and manage fuel usage and associated costs for each vehicle in your fleet. With this tool, you can view the amount of diesel consumed by each vehicle over time. Track the cost of diesel, including the basic rate and additional costs. Export the diesel consumption details to Excel for further analysis or reporting. With these features, you can choose a specific vehicle type, example crane, Toyota Innova, and branch to customize the report, view the date, quantity, rate, and total cost of diesel for each entry. Click on the vehicle code to view detailed fuel consumption data for individual vehicles. Download the Diesel Report to Excel for offline use or sharing. Own Vehicle Spares Report. The Own Vehicle Spares Report helps track spare parts and materials issued for owned vehicles, aiding in cost management and efficient fleet maintenance. With this tool, you can monitor the spares and materials used for each vehicle, analyze the total costs of spares issued for vehicle maintenance. Maintain records of spare parts issued for proper vehicle upkeep. Use these features to see a summary of spare usage with details like vehicle code, number, date of issue, and vehicle type. Click on a vehicle code to see detailed records of spares issued for a specific vehicle. Filter by month and year, and use the search function to find specific records. Download the report for offline use, analysis, or record keeping. Bills Report. The Bills Report helps you manage and track the billing details for vehicles that are hired. With this tool, you can view and manage the total charges for hiring vehicles. Check for deductions like taxes, spares, and maintenance. Keep track of unpaid balances and payment statuses. Use these features to select the date range and branch to narrow down the report. See a breakdown of the bill, including charges for each trip and deductions. Print or download the bills for further use. It's a tool to keep track of vehicle hire bills, ensuring accurate payments and financial records.